Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a full cooking video with you guys. I'm going to be cooking stuck in my fridge for like few weeks, and I'm just going to be making few dishes, and you're going to be coming with me along as we make them. So let's get right into cooking. So here with me we have some chicken and some chicken gizzard, so I'm just going to go ahead and spice them up and prep them for cooking. So guys, I'm just going to be adding some salt. This is some mixed spice that was mixed for me back home in Nigeria and brought for me by my mom. You don't want to know all the healthy natural foods that makes up this spice. I don't even know some of their names, but they are all healthy and natural. I'm going to be going in with some curry powder. Some curry powder there. Some chicken seasoning. This is chicken and chicken gizzard, so we can get that out of the way. Thyme. So I'm using some seasoning cubes. So this is some chili powder. I love my pepper going into my food. This is for us Africans that eat pepper. So we do not joke with that. We're going in with some chili powder too. And yeah. So I have some ginger and garlic paste already in the fridge, so I'm going to be adding some of that. Going to be adding some onions. And there we go. We'll let that boil together and we'll be right back. Yep, so let's see how the chicken is doing. I like cutting my chicken very tiny. It really helps me get what I want. I forgot to add something I really love adding, and that is turmeric. My mom also got this for me because this is quite healthy. It's a quite healthy like on the spice or anyway. It also adds some color to your chicken and your sauce, especially when you're making sauce. There you go. All good? Let's check the gizzy. Let's get a clearer view. Hmm. Oh, boiling down well. So guys, my gizzard is ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and make my gizzard sauce. So putting in some oil there, put some onions, your taste. And then here is the gizzard. I'm going to stir fry it before adding the sauce. So really when it comes to cooking, I know that maybe if you're starting, you get to follow recipes and write down measurements and all that. But at the end of the day, what makes cooking unique is everybody has a different way of cooking exactly the same thing. Even if I learn how to cook something online, maybe watching someone's video, I can never recreate it in their own way. I would always add a twist, tweak it somewhere, do it my own way, add my own flavor. So this is just to tell you that, oh, as a mom of a new baby, you can still make sure you're eating healthy by trying to make everything ready. Make your meals ready. So the gizzard, I'm stir frying it right now. So that's it. Just wanted to give you a clearer view to see how it's coming up. So let's check our chicken again. I guess you can see the aroma. Yummy chicken, yummy chicken. So guys, like I was saying, always make your food to your own taste, because I mean, follow the recipe, but then tweak it to whatever works for you, because some people don't eat salt, some people don't eat a lot of things, maybe because of their health or just their preference. But someone like me, I want some pepper in my food, I want some salt in my food. Using my exact ingredients when you don't like pepper or salt, or no, or spices, healthy spices, not chemical ones, then it might not really favor you, because those are things that I enjoy having in my own meal. So I'm stir frying the gizzard right now, waiting for my chicken. So I'm just going to, so I'm using some of these chicken to make my chicken stew. So I'm just going to getting them out, the ones I'm using to make stew. Just separating them. There you go. So let's go ahead and finish up the pizza sauce. I'm going to be using some tomato puree, adding some of them So the gizzard that is already ready. So add some tomato puree, turn it, turn. Ooh. All getting together, right? Yeah, I know. So I'm going in with some salt. Just like I said, season it to your taste. Um, because at the end of the day, it boils down to what works for you. Some little very tiny thyme. Of course, you want to add some curry. Of course, I'm gonna add my local spice. My secret ingredients here. This is a combination of like 10 to 15 roots and herbs, pepper, and then I'm going to add some stock, chicken stock. That's the water that boils out from the chicken. And there we go. And finally, for the sauce, I always go in with some vegetables. So I have these vegetables already prepared. So just going with some vegetables, sprinkle some carrots. Oh, yummy, yummy! Our sauce is coming together. So our gizzard is chicken gizzard is getting ready over there. Let's see. Boiling, boiling, boiling. So let's get the chicken sauce going. Let's make the chicken sauce now. So for the chicken sauce, I'm going to just stir fry my vegetables very shortly in just very few seconds. Just so it's not bland and nothing much, just stir fry it. Getting it going. So I'm just going to be stir frying this with some salt and that's it. Hi, so I've stir fried my veggies and I'm just going to be transferring them into the sauce. So here we go, veggies into the chicken sauce. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's see. Don't worry, you will see them better when I'm done cooking and I'll show you how it comes out. So this last step is not compulsory, so you can decide to do it, you can decide not to do it, it's up to you. But I'll just do it for the purpose of this video because personally I don't like adding flow, like to take in the sauce. I just like my sauce very light, but I'll just show you. So this is my baking cocoa. I'm just going to get a spoon of flour. So I just need to dissolve this in water. Like I said, the quantity of flour you make it depends on how thick you want um, your sauce to be. I don't really like chicken sauce, so I'm just going to be adding a little, quantity of sauce of flour just for the purpose of this video. So if you want it quite thick, and the flour to use is cornstarch or corn flour, whichever one you prefer to call it. And yeah, just like that, our chicken sauce is ready to. Our gizzard sauce is ready, so I brought it down. And right now, I'm boiling my cow foot for the cow foot stew, cow foot and chicken stew. Of course, the chicken is ready, but I have to boil the cow foot. So that's a huge progress. Here is my pen. So on our list, chicken gizzard sauce is done. Good. This will really help you so you don't get confused. And secondly, the chicken sauce. We are done with the chicken sauce. Right now, I'm going to show you. So we still have cow leg and chicken stew, fried rice upcoming, and then minced meat vegetable sauce. Yeah, so these of our things we're cooking today. I don't know if I say them. I don't even think I did. So we are making chicken gizzard sauce, chicken sauce, cow leg and chicken stew, fried rice, minced meat veggie sauce. So this chicken gizzard sauce and this minced meat veggie sauce is more like breakfast menu. So the chicken gizzard sauce, you can use it to eat potato fries, fried yam, fried potatoes, French fries, anything. You can literally use chicken gizzard sauce. And also this minced meat sauce, you can use it to make early breakfast quickly. Just grab something to eat in the morning and get going. So the cow leg and chicken stew and the fried rice and chicken sauce are actually the main meal. Chicken sauce, you can use it to make it yam, plantain, white rice, anything you want. While this cow leg and chicken stew, of course, trust us, we can use stew to eat anything. Is it not us again? And fried rice, of course. When you're in the party mood, you get it down with some juice. So I'm going to go ahead and make the minced meat veggie sauce because it's quick. Because my cow leg is still boiling, and I'm not adding any sauce in the cow leg yet because it makes it difficult to get done. So I'll just get this minced meat veggie sauce out of the way so that I'll focus on the fried rice and the chicken stew. So just some little oil. Actually, I'm just going to be stir-frying my vegetable. So just add some onions and veggies again. Yes, I try as much as possible to make sure that there is veggies in every single thing that we are eating. So vegetables are very, very important. It's okay to have them included in everything that you are eating. Yeah. So I'm stir frying the vegetables right now for the minced meat veggie sauce. I came up with this name. This is just typically minced meat. This is minced beef. And then together with vegetables. I didn't learn this recipe from anywhere. This is my own personal recipe. So I just mix them together, um, stir fry the veggies, stir fry the minced meat, and it gives a very lovely breakfast. I mean, you could use it to eat anything, bread, yam, potatoes, anything you want to eat in the morning. So let's prepare it. Of course, a little salt. Just a little bit of curry powder. Of course, a little of this. And as I say, there is always chili or whatever I'm making. Let's test. Once you stir fry your minced meats and make sure that there is no more pink ones, they are all properly browned like this, all brown, then you can go ahead and add your veggies. Veggies going in. And there goes your minced meat and veggie sets. I'll show you. I'm cooking and making this video myself, so I'll show you everything. So, minced meat veggies of the list. We just have cow leg and chicken stew and fried rice remaining. We're getting there.